Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video on Myntra haul. Okay, so ये सारे कपड़े मैंने Myntra के एंड ऑफ रीजन सेल में खरीदे हैं. नाउ एंड ऑफ रीजन सेल काफ़ी टाइम पहले हो चुका है और ये कपड़े भी मैंने काफ़ी टाइम पहले खरीदे हैं. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई ऑनेस्टली डिड नॉट रियली नो कि ये वीडियो मैं किस तरह से शूट करूं. मैंने बहुत सारे ट्रायल एंड एरर किए एंड देन फाइनली ये वीडियो बना है. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज़ आई हैव शॉप्ड अक्रॉस कैटेगरीज और मैंने ट्राई किया है कि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल कपड़े खरीदूँ सो दैट आपको बहुत इजी एक्सेस मिले और जो लोग भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं उनको ये कपड़े पसंद आए एंड दे कैन बाय इट ऑल्सो. So what I'm going to do in this particular video is that I will take you guys through my entire shopping, whatever I have bought from Myntra, and it's quite a lot. And I'm going to also include the links to everything that I've bought in the description box so that आप जल्दी से वो description box में देख के खरीद सकते हैं. Please remember that the prices I have quoted in the description box and also mentioning in the video can be different from the current price. Okay, current price different हो सकता है क्योंकि वो प्राइस सेल का था, एंड ऑफ रीजन सेल वाला, एंड यहाँ पे जो प्राइसेस है वो मे बी अभी करंट प्राइसेस हो सकते हैं. कुछ चीज़ें आउट ऑफ स्टॉक भी हो सकती है, बट आई विल ट्राई एंड इंक्लूड ऑल ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो प्लीज़ एंश्योर दैट यू गो आउट एंड चेक दैट. So without further ado, let's get started with the first set of things that I've bought from Myntra, which is my tops. Now, जब भी टॉप्स का शॉपिंग होता है, माई प्रेफरेंस इज ऑलवेज अराउंड सॉलिड्स. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय सॉलिड्स? जिस पे कोई पैटर्न नहीं होता है. ना व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ ऑल्सो हैज़ अ वेरी मिनिमल पैटर्न, बट इट मे नॉट बी विजिबल इन द कैमरा, बट इट्स अ प्लेन कलर्ड टॉप. ओके, सो ये जो टॉप मैंने पहना है इट्स नॉट बॉट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा, बट आई वॉज जस्ट यूजिंग इट एज एन एग्जाम्पल. सो जब भी मैं टॉप्स खरीदती हूँ आई लाइक टू कीप द पैटर्न एज सॉलिड, विच इज जस्ट अ प्लेन सॉलिड कलर्ड टी शर्ट और अ टॉप. Okay, so in this particular haul itself I have bought a few tops or t-shirts which are solids. Again, I'm going to show you that one by one right now. Okay, the first thing that I have is a plain white t-shirt. Okay, this one is by the brand Roadster. एक सेकेंड ये अंदर डाल देते हैं. Alright, yeah, perfect. So what this is it's just a plain t-shirt. इसको नीचे से there's a cropped pattern. It's got this brand label on the side which just says Roadster. So ये cropped pattern में है, plain t-shirt है. What I really like about this is the hand pattern. अभी आप इसके arms पे देखेंगे तो there's this cutout option given here, which looks really very classy when you're wearing on a blue jeans or you're wearing it on like hot pants or something like that. ये बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. So if I have bought a white one, there is absolutely no chance that I will not buy something that is black. Now this is the next top that I have bought. Now I don't know if you guys can see this well, but it's got this really cool pattern at the neck area. Okay, ये इस तरह से pattern है, which is like a ribboned sort of a look. Okay, so it's this basic t-shirt. It's a black t-shirt and guys इसका जो material है ना थोड़ा it's not very thick. Okay, so अगर आपको thick material पसंद है तो this is not your choice, but it's so soft and it's so smooth. and अगर आपको कहीं travel के लिए ये कपड़े लेके जाने हैं तो just look at how easily I can fold this up and it literally fits into my palm. It's that soft and that's that light to carry. Also it's got like a different pattern at the back. मतलब जो material है back का वो different है, आगे का material different है, but it fits so well. I'm using a size small for this one because that is my body size, but this is guys really amazing. It goes really well with your denim skirts. It goes well with any kind of skirts. Even if you just want to go out and wear it on a casual day out or something like that on a jeans, it looks very nice. So this is highly recommended. I totally suggest you guys to buy this. This one is by the brand Dressberry. Okay, next up I've got a top. Okay, now the two that I showed you earlier were t-shirts. Now what I've got is a top. Now this top you guys must have seen in one of my videos earlier on the channel, which was around work from home makeup tutorial. So उसके वीडियो के टाइम पे मैंने ये पर्टिकुलर टॉप पहना था, and I had a lot of people asking me कि कहाँ से खरीदा है, so I had to include this in the haul, and my answer to that of course was that you will come to know about it shortly. So yeah, this is what I've bought. Now this is how the top looks. Okay, it's got this cold shoulder pattern going on. So अगर आप आपका आर्म रखेंगे तो यहाँ पे that shoulder part is going to be visible. It's got almost full sleeves. All right, but the only drawback that I have with this particular top is that the front has this, and this is the front guys, which is really weird, but ये front part में it directly goes right up to your chest. It goes right up to your neck, I'm sorry. And back is pretty plain, कुछ इतना है नहीं, but it's a nice top to have. It's got this maroon color, and मैंने जब खरीदा था इसमें और ज़्यादा कलर ऑप्शंस भी थे, बट ये बहुत अच्छा फिट हो रहा है मुझे. सो इफ़ आई वर टू गिव यू फिट रेफरेंस, दिस वर्क्स रियली वेल. इट्स बाय द ब्रांड याडलीन, एंड आई हैव गॉट इट इन द साइज मीडियम. कि मीडियम इज़ नॉट माई साइज, तो अगर आपको ख़रीदना है तो आप एक साइज़ बड़ी खरीदिए, बिकॉज ओनली देन डज इट एक्चुअली फिट यू. Okay, next up we move into my favorite category on Myntra, that is dresses. Okay, so the first dress that I've bought is by Berry Lush. Okay, the brand is called Berry Lush, and it's a plain dress. Okay, so बहुत ही plain simple pink color का dress है. But why I bought this is the lovely hand pattern that you guys can see here. Okay, it's got these really long sleeves, and trust me guys, I had ironed all of these clothes, but पता नहीं यहाँ पे क्या हो गया है, and it's all changed into it looks like it's not been ironed, but I have ironed all of these. Nonetheless, I'm sure इससे कपड़े को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, so you guys can get an idea. It's got a very plain neck, but the hands is the only part wherein you know थोड़ा बहुत पार्टी sort of a feel आता है when you're wearing this. This again is a very soft material, so it fits your body perfectly. It enhances your curves perfectly. So ensure that you buy this for a simple party out, मतलब party look or something like that. Okay, so the next dress, तो पहले वाला dress था थोड़ा simple था, elegant था. The next one is a little classy, and when I say classy, I mean that look at this beauty. Okay, firstly ये थोड़ा सिंगलेट टाइप्स है, ठीक है, एंड आगे इसको ये नॉट्स है विच हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल पर्ल थिंग गोइंग ऑन. ओके, एंड इट्स अ शॉर्ट ड्रेस. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गॉट अ थिंग एट द वेस्ट जिससे वो ड्रेस थोड़ा टाइट हो सकता है. एज यू कैन सी इट्स गॉट दिस इलास्टिक पैटर्न, एंड ओवरऑल ये ड्रेस का मटेरियल बहुत ही soft है, and it's got this lovely rose slash, I don't know if it's rose, it's like some flower pattern, but बहुत amazing दिखता है on white. I had color options with this as well, but I decided to go with white because white पे of course the red is going to stand out and it's going to look really very beautiful. Okay, so मेरी शॉपिंग अधूरी होती है अगर मैंने कोई कुर्ता नहीं खरीदा. So of course I had to buy a kurta, and what I've bought from Myntra is a steal guys. So I bought this amazing brown colored kurti. Okay, so it's got this pattern at the front. एक second इसको सिर्फ अंदर डाल देते हैं so it's better visible. Okay, it's got this pattern on the front part, and it's also got some pattern on the sleeves. ठीक है, sleeves पे pattern है, बाकी पूरा कुर्ता इस तरह से स्ट्रेट फिट है, एंड एट द वेरी बॉटम ऑल्सो यू हैव लाइक अ लेस सॉर्ट ऑफ पैटर्न. Next up we move on to jeans. Okay, now this is a very plain jeans that I had to buy, but I wanted this particular color itself, and this is again by Roadster. Now this is a brand I highly recommend you guys to buy. मेरा पहला टी-शर्ट भी Roadster का ही था, and it's a brand which is affordable at the same time. It has classy you know, कपड़े का जो रेंज है बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लासी है, बहुत अफोर्डेबल भी है, तो इट्स द परफेक्ट थिंग टू चूज़. Lastly, we move on to the last category, which is watches. Now for this particular video I knew कि watches पता नहीं शायद fashion में add करना है नहीं करना है because कपड़े का haul है or something like that, but nonetheless I've added it because it's amazing. I love these watches. The first watch that I've bought is by Mast and Harbor. I don't know if it's Must and Harbor or Mast and Harbor, whatever it is. So this is the box. This is how it comes, and inside the box, let me just get it off. You have this really cute baby cushion sort of a thing, and on it you have the watch. Now guys, look at this watch. Just a minute, let me see. अच्छा okay, ये perfect है. It's got this big white dial, okay, and यहाँ पे date का भी option है, so you can just you know the date, whatever the date is, and it's got this golden watch hands going in. So if you put it on your wrist, this is how it looks like. I think it looks really very classy with this whole metal silver look to it and gold as well. So it's a combination of white, silver and gold, which I think is a really classy combo. Even if you want to wear it on a western dress or you want to wear it Indian dresses पे, सब पे ये बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा. So I really love this particular watch. And let me show you the second watch that I bought, which is going to be from the brand Dressberry. As I mentioned earlier, Dressberry से मैंने एक watch खरीदा है. This is the watch. I love this watch. Also, I love the color of this box, guys. I know it looks like teal in the video. I'm not sure if that's how it's looking in your phone as well, but it's green, okay? It's green color. And of course, when I take the top off, again, it comes with a cushion. But guys, this is the watch, okay? It's got this really cool purple slash, I don't really know what to call this. It's like a wine color. It's a light wine color. It's got this beautiful dial, which is again gold, and on your wrist it looks something like this. Okay guys, it looks really very nice. I think it gives you a very classy formal feel. And I would request you guys to note that all of these watches, both of these watches rather, are perfect for Western as well as Indian clothing. Indian पे भी अच्छा दिखेगा, वो वाला भी Indian पे अच्छा दिखेगा. So एक watch खरीद के you are sorted for both these occasions. So ensure that you definitely check out the description box for the links of these watches. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked my shopping. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite across categories and whichever interests you. So आप खरीदना चाहते हैं, let me know in the comments below. And of course, before leaving, ensure that you like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell notification icon so that the next time any haul, any shopping जो भी मैं करती हूँ आपको notification आ जाए, you are notified about it, and then you come back to this channel. Until next time, bye bye.